Hello, third grade. For your reading skill practice today, we are going to be using a Gimkit lesson. Now, we have used this for our word work, but this is how you'll use it for this lesson. So you'll click on the link, and it'll log you in. And then if you have not done so already, for the email, you will have to enter your LSC username, and then you're going to use @lsc.k12.in.us at the end. Then you'll have to enter your information, your first name, your last initial of your last name, or first initial of your last name, and your password is Raiders, all lowercase. So remember, you should have your LSC username on the back of your iPad or on your password page. Then you can log in and play. It says earn $12,000 to complete this assignment. You have 30 minutes that you need to be on this assignment. It will close out after 30 minutes. And the way you do this, it says click on the photo to answer the question. So you click on the photo, make it large, read through it, and then choose the correct answer. We'll do this first one together. If you see the number 2 on the top, you will know this answer. I do my chores each Saturday. First, I fold the laundry and put it away. Then, I sweep and mop the kitchen floor. After that, I all the garbage cans and then recycling. Finally, when all of my chores are finished, I can go outside. I see all these key words that are telling me that it is in order. First, then, after that, finally. That is a sequence text structure. So that is D. So I'll click out of it, choose D, and then go on to the next one. Let's do one more. And click continue. Click on the name. My capybara is the world's largest rodent. Capybara can weigh up to 145 pounds. They love the water and spend most of their time in swamps, ponds, and rivers. If you want to see a capybara in the wild, you will need to go to Central or South America. So this is not using a problem and solution. There's no cause and effect. It's not telling me things in order. It is describing the capybara. So I'll choose D and then click continue. You have half an hour to finish all of these questions, clicking on them, choosing the correct answer, and then you'll be complete for your reading skill today.